Have you ever felt tingling in your hands or weakness in your legs that wasn't there before? Maybe you've noticed slower healing, stiff joints, or just feeling less strong than you used to. If this sounds familiar, collagen decline could be part of the problem. Collagen isn't just about skin. It's the glue that holds your muscles, joints, tendons, and ligaments together. And after your 30s and 40s, your natural collagen production drops, making muscles weaker and nerves less protected. But here is the good news. Nature gives us a powerful solution. Fruits that naturally boost collagen production and help your body heal itself. In this video, we'll reveal 8 powerful collagen-boosting fruits that can help ease tingling hands, weak legs, joint discomfort, and support your muscles and nerves from within. Let's get started. Collagen is like your body's scaffolding. It keeps your muscles firm, your joints flexible, and your nerves protected. But after middle age, your body starts producing less collagen each year. This leads to slower healing, joint pain and stiffness, muscle weakness, and nerve discomfort, like tingling hands or weak legs. And without enough collagen, your muscles lose support, and your nerves become more sensitive and inflamed. So how do you rebuild collagen naturally? Certain fruits give your body the exact nutrients it needs to restore collagen production, supporting your nerves, muscles, and joints from the inside. First, oranges. Rich in vitamin C, oranges help your body produce more collagen. Vitamin C is like the key that unlocks your collagen-making process. Oranges also provide hydration and antioxidants that protect your muscles and nerves. Enjoy one fresh orange daily, or start your day with a glass of fresh orange juice. Next, kiwi fruit. Kiwi delivers a double punch of vitamin C and vitamin E, both essential for protecting existing collagen and building new collagen. It's also rich in antioxidants that soothe nerve inflammation. Eat one kiwi fruit daily, slice it into your breakfast, or enjoy as a midday snack. Now, let's talk about berries, especially strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries. Berries are packed with polyphenols and flavonoids that protect collagen from breaking down. They're also anti-inflammatory, helping reduce nerve sensitivity and muscle soreness. Add a handful of mixed berries to your smoothies, oats, or yogurt every day. Fourth, papaya. Papaya contains natural enzymes and vitamin C, both of which help your body build collagen and digest protein, essential for muscle repair. It also supports nerve health through anti-inflammatory properties. Have a bowl of fresh papaya slices in the morning, or add to fruit salads. Next, mangoes. Mangoes are rich in vitamin A and vitamin C, both needed for collagen formation. Vitamin A, in particular, helps your skin and connective tissues renew faster. One small mango daily can help your body naturally rebuild collagen, supporting your joints and muscles. At number 6, pineapple. Pineapple contains bromelain, a natural enzyme that reduces inflammation in muscles and joints. Combined with vitamin C, it encourages collagen production while calming nerve discomfort. Blend fresh pineapple into smoothies or enjoy slices as a post-meal treat. Let's not forget guava. Guava is one of the richest natural sources of vitamin C, even higher than oranges. Just one guava provides more than your entire day's vitamin C needs, giving your body all it needs to produce collagen and protect your nerves. Eat fresh guava, sliced or blended into smoothies. And finally, watermelon. While not directly high in vitamin C, watermelon hydrates your muscles and skin while providing antioxidants like lycopene. Hydration is crucial for collagen repair, keeping joints flexible and muscles nourished. Enjoy a bowl of chilled watermelon cubes as a refreshing collagen-supporting snack. So let's recap the 8 collagen-boosting fruits your body needs. Oranges, kiwi fruit, berries, papaya, mangoes, pineapple, guava, and watermelon. Simple, affordable, and natural. These fruits help your body fight tingling hands, weak legs, and slow recovery by rebuilding collagen where you need it most. Eat 2 to 3 of these fruits daily. Blend them into a morning smoothie, mix into salads, snacks, or desserts. And remember, collagen isn't just about skin. It's about strength, stability, and resilience for your entire body. If you've been struggling with nerve discomfort, muscle weakness, or joint pain, focus on adding these fruits into your routine and let nature help rebuild your body from within. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who needs this advice. Stay strong, stay healthy, and take care of your body every day.